Okay, Twitter, TWTR, Amy Winehouse style. You know, if you follow this channel, you know that I love documentaries, and her documentary is really, really good. Just gonna do a little Twitter day trading update. Thought I'd put a little music on. Thought, you know what, you can never go wrong with some good music because there's all kinds of bad day trading instructional people on there. Okay, today it's down 13 cents, 0.74%. TWTR. Remember, I'm Jonathan Fibonacci. I'm a Elliott Wave specialist, day trader, whatever you want to call me. Remember, I use Thinkorswim. Let's kind of look at this, and it's down 13 cents. Let's look at this on a 5-minute chart. Now, remember, each little tick there, see the little blues and the reds, each line represents 5 minutes. So let's kind of break that open and look at what it did today. Now remember, I called a short, then it retraced a little bit. I like to trade the 5C. Again, this is the 5-minute chart. What I'm looking for, well, you can see here, obviously, this is a really good example of what I call boom, stable, boom, which is a Fibonacci term for a 5C. See, boom, and then an AB, boom. So while this can happen on a microscopic level, it can also happen on a macro level. So when I talk about a retracing, the question is it going to retrace down, or is it going to catch stability and move up? So, for example, what happened here is also what happened here. So micro, macro, 5C wave, okay? This is the overnight. Now, I still think it's a short, but one thing that I would do in this case is, as a day trader, I would have not carried an overnight. Now, remember, I'm not actively trading TWTR. I'm using it to teach Elliott Wave. This is a situation where an overnight could have been devastating because look what's happened in the overnight. It hasn't really provided any stabilization. With no stabilization, you open yourself up to the second part, boom, stable, boom. So let me kind of recap here. Is this stabilization, which is technically, if you use Elliott Wave talk, an AB? Remember, it's a 5 AB and then the giant C. 5 AB, giant C. So this is just another example of an AB wave, which means the short could be devastating. So whenever you're in the 5C world, you really want to make sure that you watch your overnight positions. Here's a daily chart. Again, TWTR, same stock, but each line represents one day. See how it retraced? I caught that line, so 1631 was where I called kind of a cessation to my short. Say that 3 times. See the little 1631 line that I drew? That's when the 4th wave did not retrace the 2 wave, and as a result, it moved up. Now the question is it going to continue to go up or not? I think it's personally going to go down, but remember, the ultimate test is not what I'm predicting. It's to watch the micro movements on a 5-minute or a 2-minute chart, and then to watch your 4th waves and to see when your 4th waves retrace into one airspace, and that's day trading Elliott Wave. Now, I could teach you Elliott Wave. It takes you a day to understand it. It'll take you 6 months to learn how to trade it. If you'd like to kind of do some stock market updates, it's $18.21 a month. This is where I'm kind of sort of, day trading with you, kind of showing you, well, this is what I think, maybe confirming your Elliott Wave counting. $18.21 a month if you want some personalized service where I kind of train your firm or train you individually. Maybe you are a full-time trader and you're looking for kind of some advanced Elliott Wave teaching. You really understand the nuances of Elliott Wave. Then I can do an on-site for $9,000 a month, or excuse me, $9,000 a day. Excuse me. So $18.21 per month on stock market updates, or if you want like kind of an intensive Elliott Wave pattern day trader instruction, then it's $9,000 per day. Be good. Email me if you have any questions. Americano417@gmail.com. Follow this content. TWTR. In fact, for fun, look at put Twitter's chart and then look at Facebook, which is FB, and notice that they're both in the same social media space, but those charts look dramatically different. Email me your questions, Americano417@gmail.com.